Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I just received my Birchbox beauty box for the month of June. Of course, I'll pop details here, and at the end of the video, you will see my selection, all the choices and things like that. Birchbox is one of the very first boxes that I ever tried many years ago when it was still like $10. And recently I've been trying to dip my toes again into kind of more subscription boxes and stuff like that. So if you have any ideas, suggestions, let me know. And it does not have to be makeup or beauty related. I'm open to any subscription services. All right, we're gonna dive in. This is the Sunshine State of Mind. This month's box is all about embracing summer at its brightest, or hottest, or muggiest. Anybody else? Think dewy skin, sun-kissed color, and lightweight essentials that keep up with the long, sun-filled days, from refreshing cleansers to glow-boosting oils and the perfect flush of color. These picks are made to keep your routine feeling fresh, simple, and radiant. Whether you're heading out for the day or winding down at golden hour, these are the easy, feel-good staples you'll reach for on repeat. Here's to glowing a little brighter wherever June takes you. And if you happen to have a June birthday, happy birthday. Alrighty, first up is the Estate Just a Taste Mini Pigment Palette. I actually have not seen things from Estate for a very long time. I remember we used to get them a lot. And yes, you can pick every single product. Do I ever remember what I've picked? I do not. So it's still a surprise to me, you guys. I will say this feels quite heavy and quite well made. Ooh, that is really pretty. Kind of standard neutral palette. I think that would be perfect for just a wash of color, a quick and easy little summertime on the go look, something that would be perfect for travel. I'm not mad at that at all, you guys. Next up is the Cosmet Skincare, the Sweet Plum Oil Brightening Facial Oil. That sounds amazing. I am a fan of facial oils. I don't often use them in the summertime, unless I use them like evening and then I'll go to sleep with them, you know, kind of on my skin. But for daytime, absolutely not. It is too dang hot around here, you guys. Everything will just slip and slide right off this face. Okay, but I like seeing something like that. Next up is a little sampler of the Lancome, the Advanced Genifique. And I will say too, with Birchbox, there's a combination of like full size and then like travels, minis and stuff like that. But as you will see at the end of the video, when you see my selection process, you can actually go in each category, and generally there's a full size in each category. So really you could pick all full sizes if that's what you chose. Next up, ooh, this is pretty. This is the Inky List and Selfless by Hyram. This is the Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. That also sounds amazing. And if you've tested any of these products, or you've wanted to test any of these products, let us know. And last up in my Birchbox for June is the Klorane Nourishing Conditioner with Mango Butter for dry hair. Oh, that sounds nice. And that's actually a pretty good size as well. I am somebody, I know not everybody likes to get like samplers and minis and stuff like that. I love them. I like to be able to try and sample out several different types of products. Like if this is super expensive, I bought the full size because I heard great things and I hated it, I'd be a little upset. Whereas with this, I've paid, you know, $5-ish for it. And if I don't like it, it's $5. But I like to have minis too because, you know, for traveling and stuff like that, keep them in your overnight bag, so on and so forth. I'll run that down really quickly again. We have our Klorane, the Nourishing Conditioner with Mango Butter for dry hair. We got the Inky List and Selfless by Hyram, the Retinol and Rainbow Algae. It does also say on here too, every product purchased helps fight climate change by protecting tropical forests from deforestation. So I like that as well. We also got the Cosmet Skincare, the Sweet Plum Oil Brightening Facial Oil. And on this, it says key ingredients. Plum seed oil, rich in vitamin E and vitamin C, helps brighten, protects against free radical damage and oxidative stress, and regulates your moisture levels. It has grapeseed oil, aids in the absorption of vitamin C. It moisturizes and softens the skin and helps protect skin from damaging UV rays. And then a word I'm not going to even try says a very stable and gentle form of vitamin C will improve tone. I will pop that right here if you are somebody that is inquisitive about ingredients. Next up, we had our little mini or sampler of the Lancome, the Advanced Genifique. And last but not least, we had our little Estate Quad. This is the Just a Taste Mini Pigment Palette. Overall, I think it's a win. I do always see value. I speak to this a lot. You guys know I do a ton of unboxings here. And the purpose of the unboxings is to just give you guys kind of a showcase of that particular subscription box, run down the cost, whether or not it's makeup heavy, skincare heavy, just kind of give you guys my overall thoughts. That way you can make informed decisions on what to purchase for yourself or what to pass on. So yeah, hopefully these videos are helpful to you in some way. Like I said, if you have some you'd like for me to review for you, demo for you guys, things like that, let me know. Comment down below. I appreciate you beauties so much. I hope you have the most amazing day. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can also hype my videos. You can tap the bell so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.